Hi, my name is Wendy Tanner, broker at Remax Escarpment. Welcome to our newest listing at 6 Lesterwood Street on the beautiful Hamilton Mountain. This home is minutes to the Lincoln Alexander Parkway and Lawfield Park.
Hi, I'm Mark Woehrle. This home features this massive paved driveway, detached garage, and your own backyard oasis. Let's go inside and take a closer look at what this home has to offer.
Thank you for visiting us at 6 Lesterwood Street on the Hamilton Mountain. We hope you enjoyed the pictures and the video from the safety of your home, and we look forward to your call.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Hamilton, please call us. We're Mark and Wendy. We can be reached at 905-512-1846.